What's up, my people? How na dey? Today I don't carry another update carry come. I want make we talk about golden survey for this particular video, and I go drop small update wey don't come up. I go tell you now one or two things. I beg make you know say I won't come make one drop my opinion about this particular golden survey in case you don't use them, or in case you won't use them, or in case you won't start to use them. Make you just calm down, make you see how they update they work. If in they okay, I be no they okay. If you dey see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Yeah, they can't talk about different updates where they are available for my country people. So if you want the quality update for my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe so that if I drop any update, YouTube go notify you. I beg make you no forget to comment where they watch for comment section. I beg, I go really appreciate you now. Just comment where they watch for comment section. Survey now one of the ways where people fit carry the earn extra cash for themselves. That one a fact where everybody know. But the thing can be say surveys sometimes na complete waste of time because no be everybody will do survey they make money from the survey. It's either they disqualify you or they do one or two things, or you just vex come out, or the thing too long, or the money too small, or they're available for your location. So all these factors they make to complete survey they tire some people. But you get one survey app where I see recently. I just try them recently and I feel like okay, make I come here, come share this survey app with my people, make we see as the survey app day whether in the okay. And be no they okay, I go share my opinion. If you interested, make you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget I go share small updates, you understand, at any point of this video. I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice. So me I no be financial advice. I mean my opinion I can't share here. So if you get your own opinion, I beg make you drop out for comment section. Based on what me I see here, this particular platform here now new platform because they launched their app on the 28th of November 2024, which is like almost a year. In average 1 year since they launch this particular app. Now another thing we can notice is a golden survey with this platform where they call multiple then come from the same company, which means the people will get multiple survey and them still get this golden survey, can see golden survey and them still get you understand. And I don't use multiple survey for some time now, and I don't see one or two results and they get surveys regularly, and some of them they disqualify, some of them they okay. What team can be the difference between multiple and this one? Then they offer different survey right here for their platform. And another thing we can they be saying get other things on the platform where if you do then get their referral program where if you they invite people according to waiting at the see here. Then if they invite people they collect 1 or 2 for the platform. Then get their gaming offers where if they play games, 1 or 2 other games they collect 1 or 2. The main question can be say what I like about this platform and what I not like, and what is the difference between golden survey and multiple survey. Now first of all, they no get any plenty difference because the interface here now the same thing. So I don't know why the developers of this platform then create 2 platforms that are the same. Everything is the same. If they use multiple, you gonna say now the same. You understand? Now waiting I notice, but so I know sitting there, I don't think say difference there. But if you now person with the hustle where you go like register for the both of them so that you go feed the C money. And the next thing I notice be say once I sign up my account, I been get survey, then give me survey for 800 naira. So as I complete the survey and I collect my 800, then give me another survey 6 minutes. They say now 700 naira. I complete the survey, they give me 700. They give me another survey for 2,200 naira. They say now for 27 minutes, but I don't complete them because I one rush make I record this video so that one can go to sign up. Then go they bombard you with different surveys. Now waiting I notice be that. I know the next thing we want to ask be say what of their payout. If you come to their payout dashboard, their minimum withdrawal here now 11,000 naira, just like multiple survey. You understand now 11,000. So once you get 11,000, you go feel withdraw here through gift card, then get Visa gift card, Domino's gift card, a lot of different gift cards where they are available. And so the platform they so what be the things where I like and the things where I not like. First of all, if this platform they operate like multiple, well it go makes more sense because surveys they multiple all the time. Now one thing where I like be that. Another thing be say their navigation It is very, very simple and straightforward. Their earnings, they simple and straightforward. Their gaming offers, they simple and straightforward. Their withdrawal, they simple and straightforward. And also withdrawal here now for naira. And another thing I like be that too. Your money with your wallet and naira or based on your location. And another thing I know to know if this platform they work globally, but if they work globally, well, another thing I go like be that if it take you like 1 month, if regular survey they all 3 weeks with steady completion for you to get this 11k and the estimate when me I make be that no be say I say you go make them for 3 weeks. You understand? If you like that kind of thing, well, if you try out this particular update, but think can be some of the things we I don't like about this platform. Now, the first thing I don't like be say now you go notice say whenever you come to their dashboard, if you get survey, make you no do mistake, go refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, the survey don't disappear. I don't know why they think they're like that, but I don't notice I'm not just for this one. Even multiple now so in there. Once you refresh the page, the survey don't disappear. So now waiting I no can like. Another thing I no can like can be say their survey no they pay too much and small amount. Like you see if you see 800 naira survey now by connection, 2000 naira survey now by connection, because as you sign up they will give you plenty survey so that you go no say this platform do okay. But as time goes on, they go bring down the amount to like 600, 800, 400, 300, 130 naira, 200 and something naira. So another thing I know like, so at the beginning you go see plenty survey with big money, and sometimes they reduce the money. I don't know, maybe not based on the survey. But another thing we I no can like about the platform now be that another thing can be say withdraw trash for too plenty. And another thing can be say they no get bank transfer for you to withdraw your money here, because some platforms they offer bank transfer to your local account. But I still like and sharp because if you use local gift card, and 453 naira for 20 minutes survey. 453 naira for 20 minutes of it. That is too low, man. Another one, 464 naira for 45 minutes of it. Another one, how much be this one? This one not even load. So you see, the amount within they pay here, they low. If you want to see the video when I've been they complete the survey, I go post them for my Selim account, selim.com/solipicturestv. I go drop them there how I take complete the survey and other surveys. I don't record the video when I've been they complete them, how they take answer my questions, the one why they choose and the ones who I know they choose, so that if you learn from me, you understand. So I go drop them for my Selim account, make sure you check them out. And another update can be available, but I know say no be everybody they like this kind of update, you understand. Now all this kind of updates where you go put this, collect this, all those kind of things, you understand. So if you want to see update they available, if you want to see them for those of you we don't like stress, you don't like to answer question, you just want put something, collect something, you understand. I don't go feel explain past that one. I know one wahala. If you want just put something, collect something, that kind of update on the available. I could drop the tutorial for Facebook today, or just join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp group. I go drop the link for comment section. Join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp group if you want to see that kind of update. And also check my Selim account. Just go to the public section. You go see those kind of updates. I don't do their tutorial full there. The ones where they are available, the ones where they active, all the active updates. You can see them for that site. Any of my tutorial calmly, you can see everything there. So this particular update like this in the okay, I like if I get some amount of money and I want come on my money, I feel still can't do video tell you say I want come on my money. Just in this. So make gonna tell me what you not think for comment section. I go see you now for my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.